Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to our lecturers. We are Team 5 from TRM5C morning class. We'll present our PBL courses. The title TRM505 Arduino Unity First Person Shooter Game, FIPBAZI Virus. My name is Viola Fedianti. As the leader of this team, we'll give short introduction of this team. This is Siri Winoto as our project manager, and this is our team, Putra, Ilham, Iva, and Bayu. Our presentation will give several output, like the first one is project description, the progress that integration with our PBL, and the look of logbook, backlog, and documentation and output, and problem and solving, and the last one is our next step. So the first one is project description. FIPBAZI Virus is a 3D survival horror FPS game that's set in post-World War II era. Players must survive the zombie attacks, gathering clues and puzzles to uncover the cause of the zombie outbreak as the members of an environmental inspection team to save the village that have been affected. So the next one will be explained by Bayu.
Okay, project related with course. First, 3D animation. Learn how to make the 3D design of object or character on our game. Second, artificial intelligence. Learn the NPC or enemy behavior, making become human-like and interactive. Third, entrepreneurship. Learn the proposal making and promoting the game to our target market. Next. Fourth, English communication. Improve communication and writing skill to present and read some research that related to PBL. Fifth, game programming. Learn how to build and program our game development. Sixth, hardware programming. Learn how to make the controller for the game product. Seven, Pancasila education. Learn about the attitude and nationality to be a good citizen. Okay, next slide will be continued by Ramadan Saputra.
This output include 3D modeling, hardware programming, and game programming. Next, in this section of the game story, we discussion the beginning of the scenes. Next, in the logbook section, the brainstorming state and thinking about the flow scheme of making game, animation, and hardware. Next, in the backlog section, record the result of PBL word history. Next will be continue Almadita.
And this is documentation of their member with their respective tasks. Next, member contribution, and Muhammad Ramadan Saputra as game programming, me, Almadita Zulfa, as 2D modeler, Arya Bayu Hera Ramadan as 3D modeler, and Viola Rifadianti as leader and scripter, and Ilham Sharif as hardware ignite. Next will be continued by Ilham Sharif.
Problem and solution. 1. Difficult on implementation the controller to Unity. Solution as to the electron and find another solution on YouTube. 2. Confused on finding animation to put in Unity. Solution use the free asset and animation on Mixamo website. 3. Confused on find idea to make the 3D model of the object or character. Solution look some difference on Sketchfab or YouTube. Next slide. Next plan. 1. Continue on making the game development. 2. Finishing the remaining 3D object and character. And last, building the cover for our handmade controller.
So that's all from our presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.